Hello and welcome to another episode of Excel for Small Businesses. In this episode, we are going to see how to leverage Microsoft Excel to make bulks or super fast entries in Tally ERP9. Tally ERP9 is one of the most popular ERP softwares for small businesses in India and a few other countries. We all make manual entries in Tally, which we are very familiar with. But most of us don't know that we can actually make bulk entries in Tally very quickly using Excel. Tally uses something called XML for importing and exporting data from other software. XML actually looks something like this, which looks very complicated, but it's actually not. But then again, if you know about XML, it would be nice to know that the XML format can also be used to import data into other popular ERP softwares like Mark, Busy, etc. In this video, however, we are going to limit ourselves to Tally. In Tally, we have this ready-made Excel sheet that I'm providing you for free. The link is there in the description of this video. You can download and use this to make all the normal general voucher entries that you do in Tally. You can make payment entries, journal entries, receipt entries, or contra entries in bulk just by the press of a button in Tally. I'll show you how it's done in a few minutes. But before that, you actually need to switch on something called ODBC in your Tally. So we have our Tally open here on the Gateway of Tally screen. Before doing anything, we need to enable ODBC in our Tally. So for that, we go to the Configure option and then we go to Advanced Configuration. Here we have this option called Enable ODBC Server. This option is required to do the bulk import in Tally directly from Excel. So we'll just enable this and then accept. Tally will ask us for a restart. We'll press yes and then Tally will restart. So after that, you'll see there is an ODBC option which comes somewhere over here. See, this option called ODBC comes. ODBC server is now running. So we are now ready to import our data into Tally. Before that, I'll quickly show you that I don't have any voucher entered in this company as of now. So as I press a button, all the data from here will actually get imported to Tally directly without any other action by me, without me actually manually entering everything. So we have some data in which State Bank is being used to pay Michael a few amounts on 1st of July. I just press this button, it says vouchers created successfully, and there you go, we have the vouchers which come here. See, payment vouchers have come and then all the entries have been done automatically. You can also add in some narration if you want. So I'll go back and then let's just add a few more entries. I have some journals here, so I'll add journal and then voucher created successfully. So Kumar and company, so we have the voucher entries have been done. All the vouchers will be there. Journal, all 5 vouchers are there. And then we have some receipt entries, so you can just press receipt and the entries get created. So the entries get here, receipt, and similarly you can also add some contra entries if you want. Bank to bank entries are called contra in Tally. So we have vouchers created successfully and now we have the contra entries showing as well. So that's about it. If you need to import other types of voucher entries like debit notes, credit notes, or maybe sale or purchase vouchers with or without GST, leave me a comment and I'll develop something for you on paid basis. If you another thing to keep in mind is that Tally only enables this ODBC option in the first window that you open. If you open another window of Tally, this ODBC option will no longer be there and you won't be able to import the entries. So I'll just show you. See, the second window that opens, the ODBC option is not enabled. So if you try to import something with only this window open, it won't work. If you Google Excel to Tally, you will find a ton of other options that are there already, but they charge a lot of money on yearly basis and it's not unlimited. See, they have this annual package for per template that is 1350 and per year. So I don't know, this is per template and for per year. So you can actually outright just get something developed and use it on your own. Plus the problem is these people will not give you an Excel sheet. You need to send them the data and then they'll send you the XML and you download. It's not a one-click option that you develop. Anyhow, thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.